Alright, so this thing in front of us here is a collection of light buckets. So in the prior, you probably see me with my UAVs flying these, and I have something called Flying Robot Commander. These happen to be light buckets, similar to the light buckets we used at the Portland Winter Light Festival, only now they've been assembled into this wall 5 rows by 10 rows. So just like UAVs, if we think of a bucket as a UAV and its behavior inside or its light, as you'll see, we now have something called the, we'll call this the Light Bucket Commander. So just like the buckets up here, this simulates that. So we'll go ahead and we'll set fire. So here's our fire, and we'll set that to one of our middle buckets there. There's our fire. Set another one there. Set another one there. So now we're just basically painting with each of these behaviors. So here's what we call ocean. Above that I'll make some motion. So you can see as I type on the screen, the cell goes to ocean. So we have different behaviors. Here they are right here. I'll try and do this. So you can see, move this over. So we have fire, you have what we call rainbow, this is ocean, this one here that's washed out is called spinner, and this is vapor. So anyway, these are light buckets, this is the Light Bucket Commander. So here I was doing individuals. Here I'll go ahead and change, we have fill commands, you can see the bucket there. So I'll go ahead and clear those. I can do that. Go ahead and clear the buckets. And they've cleared, so there's cleared. And now we're going to fill the buckets. Let's turn them all to fire. So here's fire. And then we'll change all the buckets to another behavior. We'll choose ocean. So there's ocean. And hopefully the last two buckets, sometimes the network drops some messages, as you can see. So we'll go back and hit ocean again. Hopefully it will clean itself up. There it goes, clean itself up. This is spinner. This one is what we call vapor by Zach. Zach Archer has done most of these, if not all these animations. And then we'll save rainbow as the last one. And let's try and synchronize that. So we have lots of rainbow, craziness. And that's rainbow here. Let's make that focused. So anyway, there's another interface as well. And it's right here. This is on a laptop, so it's a little different, where each behavior or each bucket is a cell. So there are different views for the Light Bucket Commander, just like in the Flying Robot Commander. So I can go down here to the bottom, and we'll change those all to hopefully ocean. Slowly they will, as you can see, here's the server running here. So there's ocean running. Let me focus on the buckets. So that's ocean. And then we'll show vapor again. I'll choose that down here. So hopefully all the messages will arrive at the buckets. It's kind of fun watching the asynchronous behavior of a network. There's a vapor. And then we'll go to, I think we did spinner earlier. So spinner is here. There's spinner. And then here is, we'll go back to fire. And there's our little fire. So just like the Flying Robot Commander, the Light Bucket Commander allows you to interact with individual cells and the behavior within those cells. So this thing is going up to Tour Camp in Washington. This is sponsored by CTRL-H, and it's also a part of the Dorkbot group effort. So anyway, this is called the Internet of Buckets, and it's IoB for short. There's a GitHub for the low-level software, as well as for the Light Bucket Commander software. Light Bucket Commander software can be found at github.com HooperFly, and if you look in the repos, there's a Light Bucket Commander. It's not in the Paparazzi GitHub, it's over in the HooperFly GitHub. So we'll just be sitting here by the fire, by the wall, enjoying whatever we're enjoying. Thanks for watching.